Paano mo ba ina-express yung pagmamahal mo sa isang tao?
Kinikiss ko siya lagi.
Ay, perfect!
Yung palagi ko siyang inaaway, ganun.
Ba't gusto
Malalaman.
mo sinusuyo ka?
Oo, malalaman mo kung may pake siya or wala.
Niyayakap, pinagluluto, or kinikis.
Usually, when I love someone, I spend money on them.
Gumagawa ako ng music. Doon nilalabas yung emotions and feelings ko towards someone.
Ako, gift giving.
Binibigay ko lahat. Kahit mawala na lahat sa akin. Basta siya meron.
Ikaw, how can you show your support for your favorite content creator? You can go to the houseofcollab.com website and click on Bid to Save tab. Select for your favorite content creator and you can support them by bidding to save them from elimination. For every vote, you can get a freebie or a token of appreciation for your support for content creators. You can vote as many as you want, kaya ipakita mo ng iyong suporta sa iyong favorite content creator ng The House of Collab Season 7.